Hello, it's Kathy with Utah DIY Wedding. I'm at 9 Mile Ranch outside of Wellington, Utah. They're getting ready to do a wedding at 4 o'clock. I'm going to walk you through it. They've used my decor. Here we've got their welcome sign. This is a custom piece, and the florals are also custom by their florist. This is a beautiful venue up in the mountains. Everybody's always looking for these beautiful mountain venues. This one is absolutely stunning. Here we've got a ladder with some of their pictures and stuff on it, and we put a little bouquet of flowers. Those are silk flowers. We've got their sign in here with a picture of them, and an unplugged sign and some more silk flowers. There's our most popular card container, our butter churn, ready for gifts. Then over here, this year in the year of COVID, we're using a lot of drink bins and containers rather than dispensers, and this canoe is a 1950s vintage canoe, and it's one of my favorite pieces. It goes out every weekend, and it holds 5 of the drink tubs. You can see their tables here. They're waiting for their centerpieces. The centerpieces have been used as their aisle decor. Over here, this is where the bride and groom and their parents are going to be sitting. So they've set up a table for the bride and groom. But this is just gorgeous. Look at this grove of trees where we're doing the ceremony at. There's some other photographers around here right now. But let's see if we can get this. So here at the top of the aisle, they put some barrels with some fresh flowers. See if I can get them both in there. Afterwards, they're going to transition these barrels to make a barrel table for their food. But this is just gorgeous. See if we can zero in a little bit, and you can see how pretty it is with all these flowers and stuff. It's pretty common to use your centerpieces for aisle decor. Their colors are the burgundy and the yellow. And so these are all silks that they bought at different stores. And these are our aisle log pieces. They're a little bit thicker and bigger than regular table centerpieces are, because that way when they're in the grass, they still show up. And then this is my gazebo. This was a custom piece I made for a bride last year, and I just love this gazebo. That's got our draping on it, and then they had the florist put in some beautiful roses and sunflowers. I always say this is a year of pioneer wedding colors with that red and yellow. And they put some of our big lanterns here at the base so that adds some more interest to it. Here we're looking back at the aisle. This is just stunning. One other place I'm going to show you is their cake table. The two places I always worry the most about is the cake table and the main backdrop, because that's where you take the most pictures. We've all seen pictures of somebody cutting a cake or getting in a cake fight, I should say. So here, instead of just putting a barrel, we put some crates next to it because she likes this mixed crate look. We put some pictures and some candles and some faux greenery and some faux sunflowers for her. And there is her barrel, and it's got a little spool cake base, and it's got the cutter and the topper next to it waiting for it to go. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but we also strung lights in the tree behind it. I have a little battery pack over here that when it gets darker, they can turn on the lights for this, and it'll be just gorgeous. So we love doing weddings. All the decor that you see that was provided by us is part of our signature package. For one price, you get complete wedding decor. Come see me. Have a great day.